he ready to swim or is he panicking?
I think he's getting ready to swim.
Well, he knows how then. Are you going to take another step in? Does he like it?
I don't know.
Set him down on the step by your feet and see what he does. With his feet in the water? Well, now we are training him how to use the steps to get out.
That was so funny. Kill up my fire!
Lex, that's the wrong end.
Yes, it is.
Just use the net end. Do you want a smaller net? I found one.
This one needs a line.
So you can still put him in the net.
Okay, we did the thing. Now in the video.
What?
Now in the video.
Say goodbye.
Bye.